This is the moment we've been waiting for. Our children have won this amazing playground behind us. When we found out, we were just so overwhelmed. Most of us cried.
Mitre Gisborne was really excited that Hapara School was awarded, and to be able to make such a big difference to kids of this age, we're very, very excited as a team to be part of it.
We are a low socio-economic area. Our kids are very much love children, but they don't always have all the material things. So this is a dream come true for them as much as us.
This particular school is pretty special to me. I live just down the road here. A lot of my relatives went to this school. My father-in-law, he can remember the playground that we pulled down was pretty much the one that he played on.
Play is crucial to kids' development. It creates space for cognitive, social, emotional, spiritual development.
Play is incredibly important, and the more play they can have, the better educational outcomes they can have.
In terms of playgrounds, there aren't many local playgrounds, not as big and as special as this one. So we open our doors in the weekend for our community to use.
What's your favourite part up here?
It's the slide. I like the monkey bus. Fun and pole. The slide. The slide, yeah. It's like 100 times more better.
To hand this one over to the community I live in, I'm just absolutely wrapped.
Are we happy?
Yay!
Okay, you guys can all go back to your classroom.
Mitre 10, we are just so incredibly grateful for your support as tū meke. Thank you, ka rawe.